The cost of starting an ApS company in Denmark can vary depending on several factors, including whether you use professional services to assist you with the process and the specific circumstances of your business. So let's start with the basics. ApS company in Denmark requires a minimum share capital of 40,000 Danish crowns. Up to date is in 2023. And the capital must be fully paid before the company registration. So that is the basic cost. You need to have this capital to start ApS. Then there is a registration fee that you will have to pay to Danish Business Authority. It is for the time being 670 Danish crowns. That's the basic fee, but it can vary and it depends on the circumstances. Most of the companies will pay 670 Danish crowns. That's the second cost. Also, it's not legally required to hire someone to help you with establishing a company, but if you decide to have a notary, for instance, to prepare a different kind than a standard business agreement and articles of association, you will probably also have a cost of notary or maybe some legal advisors. If you decide that your accountant is going to help you with formation of your company, then you will also have the cost of the accountant. And here the fees are very much different from 10,000 crowns, Danish crowns upwards. Also, you may incur some cost for various administrative tasks, like obtaining some necessary license or permit, or drafting a company bylaws or HR policy. It really depends on the circumstances. When you have your company opened, you will need to maintain accurate financial records for your ApS company. So hiring an accountant might be a good idea. If you know how to do accounting yourself, or you can also use some guidelines that are available online, this cost will be then for you irrelevant. And if your business is required to collect and remit VAT, there might be some costs related with the registration to VAT register and VAT compliance. When you rent an office, this will be additional cost, also utilities related to those office expenses, and some other costs associated with starting and running your business, like marketing, branding, website development, or some initial inventory, but there is no rule here. It's important just to understand that the regulations and fee might change over time, and the specific requirements for ApS registration might be different in time. So sometimes it's advisable to consult with the accountant to see what are the current prices and stay up to date with the current tax information. And if you have more questions about doing business in Denmark, feel free to get in touch with us, and we wish you best of luck with your business in Denmark.